Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Line. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line app. Here go to gear icon on top right corner. Now tap on privacy. Here scroll down. Oops, you need to go back and tap on account. Now scroll down and here you can see two-factor authentication. Simply tap on it and enable it. So when you enable two-factor authentication, when you log into other web services with Line, some services require two-factor authentication to log in. So in this way you can secure your Line account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.